This is how the unit look without cutting, without styling, without doing anything. It looks very, very nice, very natural, very natural. Now, as you guys can see, this unit is glueless. You can wear this unit pretty glueless. So today is another wig review. We're gonna be doing a wig review on this beautiful unit. I did put it in 2 plaits, y'all, because I just feel like I was able to control it a little more. This is from Nadula hair. It is a, I think this is a 9x6 or a 7x5. I'll leave the exact information down below. But girl, it's a lot of lace on this. I love the scrap on it. It also comes with like the bra strap in the back that you connect. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of my foundation brush. I'm gonna take my foundation brush and just use it on the back of this lace. Now this unit is pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-cut. So this should be a really easy unit. I'm gonna wear it in the middle part. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. I'm gonna tighten the strap pretty tight like this. Okay. Then after that, put her on my forehead. Let me tighten the strap a little bit tighter. Just a little bit. Just so it can lay a little bit more, the lace can lay a little bit more flatter on my head. And this is how the lace looks. So that is pretty glueless. I do wish they had some type of comb right here, because it's nothing to hold this and secure this on the side. I recommend that you use like a bobby pin or something if you don't want to glue it down. But I just don't like how this is just, you know, open right there. Like I would love for that to have like a comb, just so I can have a little bit more secured feel. But as you guys can see, the lace is really nice and it's super plucked. It's plucked really nicely. Love the way that look. So this is the unit without any glue. Now I am going to add a little spray on this. You don't have to, guys. You can literally go out the door like this. Me being me, I need a little bit more security. They also sent over tape as well. You can use the tape as well. So I'm just taking that, like, what is it called? Kiss by Red. And I'm just putting it on the lace, and I'm just helping it melt in. As you guys can see, it's melting in really well. I'm just gonna make sure. I'm just gonna use the back of my comb to push everything in. See how that looks better? It's just melting in really, really easy. I'm gonna get the blow dryer and I'm gonna blow dry this just so it can melt. I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down. I'm gonna use my Nadula lace melting band and tie it down like this, really tight, okay? And then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so while the hair is like melting, we're gonna go ahead and use some mousse on this hair and see how she curls up. The hair is super soft. Oh my gosh, so pretty for the spring and summertime. It's just so pretty. I love this color on me. I miss it so much. And I'll just scrunch it up a little bit. See, it's more like a beachy, loosey wave. It's not super, super curly. And I like that. That's perfect for the summertime. Y'all see that? That is beautiful. So we're gonna go ahead and do this side as well. Because if you got some curly hair, I highly recommend this. And this one has shine to it. It's a super hold enriched with argan oil. I love this. I take the band off. It only been like 3 minutes. We're gonna see what it's giving. Girl, it's the fact that my hair is done. It's the fact that my hair is pretty much done. I'm gonna take a little bit of my powder and I'm gonna just tap it on my forehead area. not too much. And that is it. We're gonna straighten out the part a little bit. This is so pretty, y'all. I don't like my parts to be super defined no more. I used to like it like that, but nowadays I don't like defined parts. Just like it to look like that effortless look. I'm gonna add a little bit more mousse right here. Look at this. Look at this. I want it to look a little bit more curly right up in here. That is so pretty. I really think this is a clean, classy summer look. You can cut the front a little bit just to frame your face. Let me show you guys how I do that. I kind of show you guys. Let me find my eyebrow archer. So all I do is just cut it a little bit right up in here. I always do that with every unit. I like to frame my face. It just looks better when the curls are not so uniform. Trust me. And you don't have to be a professional to do this. Like, y'all, your hair should always be done. I always tell y'all, there's no excuse for your hair not to be done this summer, this whole year, because these wigs are very convenient and easy. And if you don't wear wigs, just to switch it up a little bit, once you apply it right and you like get comfortable with it, girl, this is just a cute little throw on. Can you imagine coming home, your man not used to seeing your hair like this, and it's like, hello. And it is so classy and so cute. You don't got all those baby edges all over the place. Everything is just very clean. So clean. So I'm gonna show you guys, you can also wear it in a ponytail, like a clip. I want to wear it like, cause it's summertime, baby. The summer is upon us. I want to kind of clip this up a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna leave some pieces out, not too heavy. You don't want it to be too thick. Kind of want it to look like you made a mistake and left them out. Then I'm gonna claw clip the back. Y'all know how to claw clip y'all hair. Claw clip. So cute. Oh, it fell out the clip. Like that. That is so cute for the summertime. I love that. So I just wanted to give you guys different styles. You can definitely thin. I'll even thin it out some more, but you get the point. Yeah, I'll make it a little bit thinner. Do not tell me this is not cute. Then you can pull like some little pieces out in the back. I'm gonna give you guys a spin. This unit. So make sure you guys check them out. I'll leave the link to everything down below, okay? Bye.